Local Governance Bill provides a framework for the comprehensive reform of Jamaica's local government system. Through this framework, the local authorities will be granted greater scope and autonomy in the management of local affairs. We believe that this bill is a solid foundation for the vastly improved continuance of local government in Jamaica. The Local Government Financing and Financial Management Bill seeks to identify sources of revenue from which the local authorities will be financed. It also provides guidelines and oversight mechanisms for the prudent financial management, accountability, and transparency of local authorities. Every authority will be required to prepare and submit for ministerial approval on an annual basis an operational and capital budget, a statement of financial position, and cash flow statement on a 4-year strategic plan and budget. Clause 4 is particularly important, Mr. Speaker, as it introduces public consultation as a performance requirement that every local authority must undertake before any budget or strategic plan can be submitted to the minister. This bill will provide a framework to address human resource management issues in the local authorities. Given the wide-ranging financial responsibilities, this bill will facilitate the establishment of a competent workforce with the requisite skills, orientation, and commitment to local governance. Mr. Speaker, this bill speaks to the creation of one unified service for all local government employees. These companion bills, the Local Governance Bill, the Financing and Financial Management Bill, and the Unified Service and Employment Bill, constitute the most comprehensive attempt to reform local government to date.